How to restrict someone on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restrict a contact on Messenger and what it means for your conversations. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, open the chat of the person you want to restrict. From there, tap on their profile icon or name at the top of the chat. At this point, scroll down and look for the Privacy and Support section. In the next step, tap on Restrict and they will be immediately restricted, no confirmation needed. Following this, if you can't find the Restrict option from inside the chat, go back to your inbox, long press on that person's chat, and select Restrict from the options that appear. Once done, here's what restricting actually does. The person will not know they've been restricted, their future messages will go to your message requests instead of your inbox, and you won't receive any notifications from them. From here, you also won't see their active status or when you've read their messages, so they'll have no idea you've seen anything. At this stage, their existing chat will also be moved out of your main inbox and will no longer appear unless you specifically go looking for it in your message request folder. And that's it. If this messenger guide helped you restrict someone and manage your inbox, give it a like, subscribe for more messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.